how to get your home ready for sale. Learn exactly how to prepare your home for sale here in Utah, whether it's Weber County, Davis County, Salt Lake County, any county in Utah. Learn how to get your home ready. So first impressions matter. So if people walk into your house and there's all they can smell is your little cat, they're gonna probably not want to buy your house. So you need to have somebody come into your house and ask them if they can smell anything, because you've been living there and you're used to it. So ask your realtor, ask me to come to your house and say, does my house smell weird? And if it does, then you need to mitigate that. You need to get new carpet. If you have pets, and if you've had pets for a long time and you have carpet, you probably need to replace your carpet because they've probably soiled the padding underneath, and there's no way you can get that smell out. It lives there permanently. So I would recommend that's probably for any pet owner, definitely getting rid of that, any smells. And so when getting ready to sell your house, always remember the 3 Ds. So you want to deep clean, declutter, and depersonalize. So deep cleaning means getting rid of any pet odors or any other odors that are living in your house. If you have a home, like I had a listing that the owners smoked in it for over 40 years. And so that smoke lives in the paneling, it lives in the carpet, it lives in the fixtures. Like, you got to get rid of the smell, because when people were walking into the house, that's all they could smell. Like, that just like hit them. And so you got to get rid of smells. You got to clean it, deep clean. Hire somebody if you need to, but as clean as you possibly can. And then you want to declutter. Declutter everything. And we all collect stuff, and all of our closets are messy. So don't feel like you are the only one that needs to go through all of your stuff and de-junk. Like, we're all there with you. So de-junk, the best thing is just to get some boxes out, have a box for keep and store for later, and have a box for getting rid of. And then have a box for like throw away right now, because some stuff is just junk. But if you're not going to keep it, like, you can just donate it and drop it off at Savers or the DI or Goodwill. There's so many thrift stores out there. Actually, I will put a link in the comment to a thrift store that is in Layton, if you're in Davis County, that will pick up your stuff if you just notify them. They'll drive to your house and pick it up. So there's a lot of options, but you want to declutter. Okay, so declutter everything. Get rid of everything you possibly can, because the idea is you want the buyer to come into your house and they want to be able to picture themselves in that house. So it's not your house anymore. So that leads me to the next thing is depersonalize. So if you have a gorgeous family photo, you're gonna want to take it down, because I see this happen all the time. People, the first thing they do is they go look at the family photo. And yeah, your children are, your family's probably a beautiful family, but now that's all they're focused on. Now they're just distracted, and all they're focusing on is your beautiful family, and now they've forgotten about the house. And so it's just a distraction. So if you really want to sell your house, you got to take down any personalized photo or paraphernalia from a sports team. Collections, if you have a collection, put it in storage, get it moved out. Also, you want to hide liquor, alcohol. If you have them set up on a shelf, you want to just take all that down, because what if somebody comes into your house and they don't drink, but they see that you do, and like it kind of puts off people who don't have the same lifestyle choices as you. And it's not like a personal attack or anything on people who drink or who don't drink, but it's just like you want to be able to allow them to come into your house and picture it like a blank slate, and they can just write their lives into that blank slate. Think about a model home, not a personalized home. Yes, staging's great, and we'll talk about staging in the next video, but just remember the 3 Ds. So the first one, deep clean. Get that house clean. Declutter. You don't want them looking at your stuff. You want them looking at your home. So take all of your photos off the wall, take your blankets and stuff out, and just make it so that they can see your home. And then finally, depersonalize, okay? Declutter, deep clean, depersonalize. We'll see you in the next video.